Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic qcad tutorial how to join lines. As example, I will create lines with these 2-point lines, and if you click, it will be automatically spared between all lines. And if you want to join to convert into polylines, you can select the object and then go to polyline tools and then use these tools, polyline from segment, to convert the selected line into polyline. You can click and then you can click again in the object. If you select the object, it will be set into polyline. You want to spare it, you can explode the object, you can select and then go to modify. So you can click this icon to explode. Okay, that's it for basic qcad tutorial how to join lines. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.